Hi, me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I know I said it was the last one, and now this one for surely is. But as that other video was loading, I was just playing with it, and I'm going to take the very outside. If you didn't watch part 4, you need to watch it. I'm going to move that over. I'm going to take the very inside one and move it over. I'm going to take the outside one, and I'm going to make it red, so I'll left click, right click on no outline. I just want the color. I'm going to make this one green on the inside and no outline. Now, if we take these and we blend them 9 times or 11 times, let's say, to kind of make it look like this, you get a pretty cool effect. But watch what happens when we blend it. Because I wasn't thinking, because you're blending between the two, there's a you could just keep going to infinity. 50 would probably be your maximum. Look at that. You could do that to the whole text. And I mean, I don't know. Wow. I don't know if a printer is that detailed where it could print that, but that would be a pretty cool text font. And this is definitely where you would want to probably clean it up before and get those, double that node out of those. You can see those two nodes right there together. They're right there, kind of show up, but it's not bad. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.